I would like to thank you and also congratulate you for completing this course. I hope that this has been useful for you as well as entertaining. Let's discuss what we can do beyond this class. First of all, the game that we created is considered deterministic. The difference between a deterministic and a non-deterministic game is that in a deterministic game, you will always know what your output is. So if I hit space, I know that my character will shoot. Or in a game of chess, I know the outcome or the output for when I move a piece in my board. So a game of chess is considered deterministic. But in a non-deterministic game, chances and randomness will affect the outcome of your game. So you cannot have a concrete decision tree. You can use algorithms like Monte Carlo tree search to deal with AIs in non-deterministic games. To go beyond the algorithms that we have discussed, you can search for Monte Carlo tree search, genetic algorithm, BFS, and DFS. These are some great algorithms to create complex AIs. I will also invite you to take a look at gvgai.net, the general video game AI competition, which explores the problem of creating controllers for general video games. That means an agent or an AI that can play any type of game that is given to it. It's some advanced geeky stuff, but I love it. You can also download the papers about GVG AI from their website. I also recommend that you challenge yourself by adding another action to your AI. For example, taking cover, or by limiting the number of shots that your AI can shoot, or by simply creating a defense mechanic for your game. For example, by hitting the bullets with your shot, your opponent's bullet will disappear. And remember to check out my page in itch.io and try out Bumble to be inspired on how to create a more complex AI. Once again, thank you all and have a wonderful gaming journey.